Hello.
Hi.
That's the first of many times you'll be scared today. Hi.
That was good.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Great. I'm glad I scared you already once. So, welcome back to the channel. My name is Andre. This is my best friend's mom. And today I'm going to be taking her out for a ride in the ACR Viper right over there. Are you excited?
Oh, I am.
The tennis ball, yeah. Thank you for your donation of the tennis ball. It's in my car. It's been there for a couple weeks now and everyone loves it. So this is my friend's mom. Introduce yourself to the camera, please.
I'm Marianne.
And I'm going to be taking her out for a ride in the ACR Viper. She loved it when it was orange. I didn't get around to taking her for a ride.
I know.
What do you think about the new color? This flag is awesome, but it's kind of messing up my hair right now. We gotta look good for the camera. How do you like it?
I really do like the color. I had to get used to it for a second.
Yeah?
Because I really like the orange.
Does it look better in person?
It does.
It's more bright, isn't it?
It is more bright.
You know, the camera, as you can
think I
see,
need
it doesn't
sunglasses.
really... You probably do.
But I'll be inside the car.
It doesn't really show in the camera. You know, it's kind of like a... It's like
no,
a yellowy...
that is shiny
yeah.
and it reflects.
Yeah, it does.
A lot.
So we're gonna set this camera up in the car. We're gonna get some... She wants to get me back. Look at her. You can do it.
You flinched.
I'll pretend I got scared.
I didn't know where it went.
All right, we're gonna get the camera set up right inside and we're gonna go for a ride. All right, so we're all set up here. We've got the camera on. We've got the microphone going. You excited?
I am.
I want you to push this little button right over here that says arm. That's how you turn the nitrous on.
Right now?
Yeah. All right. Now I want you to twist this open. The nitrous is now on. All the way. All right. Cool.
Okay.
Now that's the button right over there. If you put your hand over the shift knob, but don't touch it. Don't push it. You can touch it. You just can't push it.
I didn't push it. I just
All right,
touched
cool.
it.
So we're about to get on the freeway here in Mexico. And we're gonna go for a ride.
We have an admirer.
Yeah. Oh, we do? Oh. Did you give us a thumbs up?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. All right. I'm excited.
Give him a little...
A little... Push the red button. Press and hold the red button. Hold it. There it goes. All right, you're gonna use all the nitrous. Let's not use it all.
Well, at least we got all the air out.
Yeah, see? You see, you guys? She learned. You gotta drain the air so the nitrous gets at the solenoid, so when you hit the button, nitrous is there and not air. Wow. So do you watch all the vlogs?
I do.
Wow,
I
awesome.
watch all the vlogs.
Which one's your favorite?
Well, of course, the one with Cow Pal.
The one with Cow Pal. Biased. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, those are fun vlogs for sure. We have a fun one coming up this
And I
week.
love everybody's reactions.
Oh yeah, yeah, reaction. And you're about to love yours too, so yeah. Are you excited for the giveaway I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fly somebody out from somewhere and
I think that is so cool.
and they don't have to buy into it, they just have to subscribe to the channel, invite 3 friends to subscribe, send me a screenshot of their subscriptions, and they qualify to be flown out to Los Angeles and explore Los Angeles for the first day and then do a car rally on the second day with me. And they get to choose if they want this car or if they want the Lamborghini. So
I think that's very cool.
pretty neat. I think so too.
When does that end for the entries?
Mid-October, entries are done, and then we're gonna announce it a week thereafter. So I think they'll be joining for the November event, which it's nice because it's not as hot in November.
Right.
We have a lot of cool exotic rallies coming up in November too, so it's a good time for people to experience LA car scene for sure. So what's the fastest car you've been in? I know you have a fast car. You have a supercharged Jaguar. It's the V8 version. It's got 550 horsepower. You got the M2. You guys have the 340, M340.
Those are Cali's.
Yeah, yeah. But which one's the fastest car that you've ever had?
That I've ever driven?
Yeah.
Now, this is epic.
Why are we going so fast?
You were saying something. I might have cut you off there for a second.
This one?
And look at Maggie.
This might be right up there with it.
Oh, good. Okay, cool. Awesome. What was your initial reaction to the nitrous?
I thought that was awesome.
That's so cool. Usually people get scared, like, oh my God, stop. You're like, no, keep going.
No, keep going.
Luckily you're in Mexico.
The
you know.
guy's like,
oh yeah. He gave us a nice thumbs up, didn't he?
Yeah, he's still looking. That's cool when people, you know, really like fast cars.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it makes it fun. I say this car might get really bad miles per gallon, but it gets a lot of smiles per gallon.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I was gonna say, it's worth it.
Absolutely. Let's crack this bottle open too, get some more pressure in the system.
You want me to do it?
I got it.
Okay.
This bottle's definitely full to the top. We're gonna get a harder hit on this one for sure. Turn this one off. I don't like running them at the same time because I want to know when one's empty and one's not. So now we're gonna have, it's gonna hit even harder. Look how thick that stream of nitrous is compared to the last. So we got a full bottle here now. So how's the car running? You like it?
I like it a lot.
Yeah. It's not as rocky as you thought, right? It's pretty smooth.
I thought it was actually going to be a lot bumpier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the driver. Maybe it's
The smooth driver.
the finesse.
Knowing how to drive the car.
Yeah, after 7 years of having one of these things, you get kind of used to it, you know?
Have you had this car 7 years?
This is my third one. Yeah, I've had Vipers for 7 years. This one I've had for just about a year now. My diffuser. We've seen that many times, haven't we? This bottle was about half full. I think we drained it majority in our first pull and when we hit the purge button, but the second bottle was totally full. So we could probably get about,
I was going to say, how far do you get on a bottle?
we could probably get about 5 more of those runs that we just did. So that was from about 30 to about 150 miles an hour that we hit on that last pull.
Wow.
Yeah, it supports up to 1,600 horsepower.
Really?
Yeah, so we have some plans for this thing. It's going to be faster in about a month and a half.
Faster?
Faster, yes.
Well, we'll have to do another test drive.
We would love to do another test drive. Wouldn't we, guys? Wouldn't we? Comment below. Sorry, the clutch just slipped on that. I don't know what happened. The clutch just kind of popped out there and my foot just hit the gas pedal.
Take it easy, man.
Oh,
That was cool.
sorry about that. I didn't mean to alarm you.
Oh no, that was fun.
Really sorry about that. Jesus. I told you I need a new clutch. I don't know what's going on here. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious.
Wheels just stayed in its spot.
Wow. My seatbelt locked on that one. Hasn't happened in a while. Yeah, just clutch is slipping, officer. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe you should hop in for a ride too while you're at it, officer.
That's a way to get out of the ticket.
It's happened. I've given a cop a ride once. He pulled me over and he said, how fast are you going? I said, I don't know, but I can show you how fast I was going. He said, oh screw it. He turned his little dash cam off. He hopped in for a ride.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, this is a couple years ago. Not when it was highlighter. I think highlighter's you're screwed no matter what.
It was the orange.
Yeah, it was orange.
Yeah, this is definitely brighter.
It is.
The sun reflects off of it.
I'm just a little bummed that it doesn't come out nice in cameras because everyone's like, oh, it's so ugly, it's so ugly. And you know what? I don't care if people like it or not. That doesn't bother me. I did it for myself because I like it. But I don't think people can appreciate the true color of it in pictures on camera.
It doesn't show the shine.
It doesn't. No. It just pops so much more in person, especially in the sun. To the naked eye, it literally looks like a highlighter. But in a camera, it looks like a stale green. It looks like cow poop for some reason. I don't know. When
it looks yellow. It just doesn't have that punch.
Right. But I like it. Apparently this color fades over time too, so it'll probably last me about 6 to 9 months. And then we have to swap it out for a different color because it fades to a very pastel, non-highlighter color. It just becomes like a bland green. And I think it turns into the color that we see on camera on the video.
Maybe that's the undertone in the actual.
And I don't think the camera has the has the capacity to capture the true color of it. So that's, I think, what we're gonna see. And once it happens, we're tearing this off right away. And then I'm gonna start taking polls for new colors. I have one in mind, but I have to poll the audience always.
I was going to say, are you going to ask the audience?
I like the audience. Thanks for coming out.
Oh, thanks for the ride.
My pleasure.
Need for speed.
A little bit. We are home. All right, guys. Well, you know the routine. You'll do the outro for us. Make sure you guys comment.
Make sure you guys comment, do the likes, and refer the videos.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
You know, I learned that 65% of the viewers of this video, are not a subscriber to the channel. Only 35% of my viewers are subscribers.
Why don't they subscribe? Why don't you subscribe?
Hit the red button in the bottom right corner. Subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it. It helps to grow the channel a lot. And it helps with the algorithm on YouTube. It helps funnel this video to your friends and family that also watch your channel.
And then you can win prizes.
Exactly.
Right?
A few big giveaways coming up.
That's pretty cool.
Absolutely. Thanks for tuning in.
Thank you.
Have a good day. And we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Hit the camera.